Sound check. Sound check. 1, 2. Sound check, sound check. I hope everyone can hear me loud and clear. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the weekly outlook. But before that, let's take a look on the economic calendar for the coming weeks. Okay, so on the Monday, we have whole day, US bank holiday. The rest of it doesn't have any red folder news. So we might and will avoid trading on the Monday itself. And if on the Tuesday, starting Tuesday onwards, we have the Australian dollar, GBP, and Canadian dollar. We have CPI, claim count change, and also the cash rate for the odds. We might take a look. Potentially, there will be some huge movement. So on a Tuesday, Wednesday, yes. So after President Trump speaks, potentially will be in the midnight of our time. So can't be bothered. And 3 p.m. we have the pound CPI as well. So it is quite crucial. Back to back, Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar have back to back huge news coming up, so we can take a look about it. If it's range, do we just wait until it range off the area? Okay, so on a Thursday, we have unemployment claim and also FOMC minutes, so it's fine as well. Australian dollar, we have 3 days consecutively having Australian dollar news very strongly, and also a Friday, we have huge bunch from Australian dollar, pounds, euros, Canadian dollar, and the US dollars. Okay, okay, so let's remove this. Okay, eventually, price did hit the previous monthly low as the target. The protected low didn't form. Okay, I believe the 4 hour fair value gap did hold and respected, rejected off, one staying in, and dump all the way down to the previous month low and the initial, the first draw liquidity. Okay, which is very good. Okay, yes. So uh for the time being, yes, I am bearish. Okay, let's see on the wait, let me do some adjustment. You guys can see clearly as well. I think it does looks better. Okay, so we are bearish on the DXY. Previous month low already taken. The next draw liquidity will be here. Break away. Daily fair will get right here. Okay, so let me do a summary on it. So we have this DXY bias. DXY is the dollar. Wait, give me a second. DXY means the dollar index. So we use this dollar index to determine the bias of the dollar to going bullish or bearish or no bias. Okay, so from my point of view, we have this 4 hour fair value area that we mentioned last week. Price might tap into it from here, then turns into bearish. Then once the moment broke off the low itself right here and created a fair value area, the price eventually just sting in. I believe this is the CPI candle that sting in, then flip all the way down, and then the created a second candle, open high, low, and close inside the range as well, within this range, and broke off eventually for the second day, the next day opening. So once it's broken, it created a new fair value area and continue lower. And within this range, it is the new daily fair value gap range. So this is what we're looking for. So anything below this low is liquidity for me. So what price could do is going rally slowly, rally higher, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, until it broke. Then all the way, it just came in with a huge momentum to flip down into it and broke off, close below this low, and then coming back to retest, then all the way down to this monthly draw liquidity down here. If otherwise, if price goes otherwise, the daily candle just closed and broke above, it could do something like this. So we need one more candle to hold. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so first, the price has respected off the higher time frame bearish move, and the fresh bearish daily fair value gap is resting above the price to retest it. And if I'm shorting on the US dollar, the daily fair value gap will be my point of interest to short. Okay, so another scenario will be Monday daily candle close above the daily fair value gap, above or in the daily fair value gap, close above or in the, the daily fair value gap, it will be, if close inside, I will take a step back to observe my bearish bias still valid or not. Okay. So this is my takes for the DXY. Let me share to the premium members. Okay, so premium members, uh, please feel free to take a look in the group. So on the DXY, we have the dollar index bias is bearish. The higher time frame has respected. From the 4 hour time frame is we took out this high and then we created a new 4-hour fair value area and respected and created a new daily fair value gap right here. We require a daily candle close, a sink in is either it close inside, then take out the high itself, then flip bearish, or it will disrespect uh this daily fair value gap as an inverse fair value gap to continuing higher, or it will just break low and with a lower low confirmation right here. Okay, a breaker confirmation. Alright. So moving on, next will be the gold. Okay, so let me remove this. It's a little bit too messy. Okay, very well. So on gold, we have a very big wick. Okay, a very long wick, which means in a higher time frame, it some sort respecting premium levels that which lead price to shorting off from here to take away their profit from longs, and eventually we have this weekly fair value gap right here. Okay, let me check money. Is there anything or not? Money is still building its candle. So potentially, I would say we took out this high. It's a sweep. It's obviously a sweep because the price eventually just closed below this high itself. But will this weekly fair value gap holds? I don't think so. But temporarily, I will be bearish. But overall, it's still bullish. I'm not gonna lie. It's so freaking bullish right here. Let me see. Have we missed out any? Oh, there is a potential monthly fair value gap right here. Right here. Okay, but it's not confirmed yet. And we have these monthly. Just a sec. Okay, we have these monthly fair value gap respected. So no doubts, but we have this level of, let's say this is the swing low itself. OT levels. Okay, what if here? Yeah, it's about the range as well. So anything below 50% will be the discount zone. Okay, that makes sense to long off here, but here is a little bit too risky for us to long off. It might be a inverse fair value gap. So anything we can short right here. This will be a sweep. Okay, so I might be looking for bearish. Excuse me. Please excuse me for a while. Okay, I'm back. Excuse me. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, this all-time high right here. This will be the nearest. Excuse me. This will be the nearest raw liquidity first. Let me mark it out. the first draw liquidity, second draw liquidity. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. From this long side, we have these all these lows as the liquid building the liquidities. So after this all-time high couldn't be swept, okay, we have this what they call SMT with the silver. These will be, yeah, the SMT will be here. Okay, this range right here. Okay, the SMT with gold and silver right here, which the silver has been swept, but the gold didn't. So what the gold did after did not swap, it failed to break, at least reclaim all the block. Okay, created a first change of character. Okay, following the second break. Then at a higher time frame, from 4 hour time frame, we have a confirmation of this 4 hour failure area right here. So don't want to confuse you guys. Let me remove this. So this will be the take for my buyers on gold, XAUUSD, bearish. So first, gold has confirmed SMT with silver. Okay. Secondly, is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour created um 4-hour fair value area has been confirmed. Going to short will, once price reach 4-hour fair value area, will get ready to look for short setup. Okay, so this is my take for gold. So this is the 4-hour fair value area. Okay. Excuse me. Caught a bad flu. Okay, so anyway, so on the gold is done. Okay, my bias is bearish. Set the alert. I want to see this pattern form. Okay, so on the euro side, if I am bullish, let me say from the okay, so on the euro side, our euro USD, we have this first high and the second high for the monthly fair value gap. Let me mark it out. Monthly fair value gap. Let me write a BOL first. Then it is a monthly fair value gap. Indeed. So this is the previous monthly high. Okay, so we have our buyers longs. But how do we get wherever we are right now to long over there? So let's mark it out everything first. First of all, we have this bullish daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap, the bullish side. So on the 4-hour time frame, anything above this high, anything above this low is the liquidity. Liquidity. Okay. So what we are looking next is, this is going to be a little bit tricky. So this is the daily fair value gap. So what we want to see is, okay, first we saw on a, so EUR/USD bullish, previous monthly high is the nearest draw on liquidity, and monthly bearish fair value gap is the next target. So secondly is the daily time frame. Daily time frame show us a new daily fair value gap. Once price rejected off the daily fair value gap from 1 hour time frame, we 1 hour inverse fair value gap or PPR, then we are go to long it. Okay. Give more side, take it out. Only DOL and B and get. Okay, let me check one thing. So the GBP against the USD also the same thing. We have these same bias which is bullish on it, but we want to take the bullish orders once the price come back to this daily fair value gap down here, and then with a rejection of the 1 hour time frame is either the 1 hour inverse fair value gap or a BPR. Okay, so once this occur, we will take trades to long off until the monthly fair value gap above it, because the previous monthly high has been taken out. So eventually our buy is still long, so not much of risk. Okay, so this will be the take. And then let me see on this. Okay, same thing. We have set an alert right here is 416 461 461 daily fair gap. Okay, so on the Australian dollar, a bullish one would be nice. Let me see where is the next nearest draw liquidity. Potentially, it will just shoot up everything, but we are closing in the monthly fair value. Monthly fair value gap. This is a little bit tricky right here. We have 12 more days. It's either a price just shoot off from here, target the next previous high. Let me check on the second line. This has been bearish. It should be okay. It has been bearish for the whole couple of weeks. The creation of the highs. Okay, so this will first draw liquidity. So we are going to see something nice. We didn't create any. This one is the next. Okay, 1D fairly gap. So we are still in a range. We'll see how on this. If monthly bearish, we want to see daily candle to be confirmed. Your daily fair will get out. So okay, so we have couple of ideas looking right here, but definitely there is a no bias on the AUD USD. So AUD, wait, give me a sec. AUD USD, I would say I have no bias. The reason being why I say so is currently is in the range in monthly fair value gap range. If it is bearish, we are looking for daily fair value gap on to bearish. Continue bearish. Let me do some adjustment. So this is the story that I will write out. So if it is bullish, we are looking for a bullish fair value gap and fair value area to be respected. Observe into the weeklies. Okay, so GU, EU, okay, gold, okay. New Zealand dollar, let me check. New Zealand also, dollar also the same thing. But what nice about the New Zealand dollar, right? We have another obvious monthly fair value gap range on the bearish side, to be respected with a premium level right here. So if you pull out the what they call the OTE level, the monthly fair value gap above, it is nicely intact with the golden zone, the optimal trade entries levels. Okay, the OTE levels, that what we call, okay, to continue bearish. But if the price just disrespect this monthly fair value, it will just the next target, no doubt, it will be continuing bullish until all the way to this New Zealand or to this monthly fair value gap right here. So let's take a look. Let me mark it up. Monthly fair value gap. Okay, so this is also a monthly fair value gap. Okay, so on the weekly, yes, the daily, okay, obviously we have closed above this high. Potentially, it will just come back to this range of fair value area. Let me see, is this a fair value area? So this is the daily fair value area, a bullish one. So daily and 4 hours. Okay, so what we are looking for it is Okay, now it's this high. Yeah, this is what I will see. Okay. So yeah, this NZD USD. Um, more yes. Price is in. Price in bearish monthly family gap. If we are bullish, the nearest daily and 4 hour time frame value area shall hold and continue bullish. If if it's if it is it is bullish, if it is bearish, the value area will fail to hold and create a daily bearish value gap to continue lower respect in the monthly target. Right, note there is a monthly value gap above the above the current monthly value gap rate. If the price wants to short, if it wants to short, if it wants to short, it will choose to short at premium price, which is line with the OTE level. Okay, so a little bit side note on this. If we are shorting on the New Zealand dollar, right, when we pull up the OTE level earlier on, you can see the monthly fair we get above this monthly fair value gap, right? This monthly fair value gap has a higher probability to short off because it is aligned with the OTE levels, and also a premium zone instead of at a discount zone. Okay, so anything above the 50 is the premium zone, anything below it is the discount zone. So how do we identify it? Is just pulling up the Fibonacci, whatever. You just pull up from the high to the lows itself, and we will see if you are bearish, we will look for uh, if you are bullish, we will look for discount zone. If you are bearish, we will look for the premium zone. Okay, so this is my take. So on the New Zealand dollar, there is no bias for me as of currently the money fair gap is in bearish runs. So if you are bullish, we want to see this fair value area to be tapped, stay in and rejection off, then maybe we can take somewhere around here and to continue long off. Okay, so if we are bearish, this fair value area will fail to hold and eventually this low will be broken, and we will just take the low until all the way down the low, don't know, like maybe a point more low. But we have been bearish for the entire year from since last year. Okay, so it's too far to say like last year the whole candle is a little bit too far, but this is what the range that we could take because we have enough range of liquidity. Price has been taken out the lows, fake out the lows. It looks bearish, but eventually it just broke off. So this range of breakers that we might get look into it, and this is the price where the price created a new breaker, I would say so, which is the family area to continue higher off. So this is my take. Okay, okay. This is my take for it. Let me share with you guys. Yeah, give me a sec. Okay, I'll be right back. Sound check. Okay, so on this, wait, where am I? So potentially the yens is doing pretty well right here. This first draw liquidity. Okay, so we are heading to bullish. So price might be bearish on the yens. There's this daily fair value gap, but it does looks like a daily PPR. They just respect the bearish side. So potentially this will be the highs of, yes, the first draw liquidity high, and eventually this liquidity area right here. Okay, let's aim to here first. So this will be the draw liquidity. This as well, and we'll see. Let me delete this. Okay, bullish side. Okay, so what we are waiting for is to wait, price can come back into this daily fair value. Excuse me, come back into this daily fair value gap, and it will just have a look. Just don't place any limits for now. Potentially this will be the initial first draw this protected low. Okay, so if we are to continue long, we are bullish, we shall respect this daily fair value gap right here. Mark it out right here. Yes. So this is what we are looking for. But if we are bearish, we shall look something like this. Okay. Let me check the euros. Daily for the gap. Reset. AJ daily. Nope. Nope. Cat J already respected. But potentially we'll see this low to be swept first. See, I haven't seen any expression of. Let's see. CHF also the same thing. Whoa, okay, CHF has some reaction off here. The daily family gap, it looks very nice. The price has initially reacted upwards, which is a good sign that price could continue higher off eventually to this high. This is what we want to see. Eventually this high, the nearest target, and the following target right here. Here, control liquidity, run liquidity. Okay, so this is what we are going to see. So this is the daily family gap. Remove this, and this. Okay, so this is what we want to see right here. Very beautiful one. So all this we want to see a breakable. This could be nice. Okay, so there is apart from the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, the rest of it, we shall look for the daily fair value gap, as mentioned. Okay, let's leave it because it's like this. Okay, so let me do this right up. So for the pounds, the euros. AUD, nope, nope, nope. GBP JPY, EUR JPY, JPY, CHF JPY, bullish bias, um, we yes, daily failure as turn me is respected following a fresh daily failure form as the new as the daily failure has been tapped. Shall look for long bias on the price above. Okay, so in summary, I have shared to the premium group. In summary, we have aiming for four high probabilities XXX JPY pairs. Those against the JPY pairs, we have pounds, the euros, Canadian dollars, and the Swiss franc. My bias for it is going to be bullish. The reason being is we have disrespect the previous on the left side, the bearish leg. There is a daily fair gap range. So the price just broke off and created a new daily fair gap, which means the price has a higher intention that the price could just in a reversal is going to be reversed and to be continue higher of respecting this the fresh daily fair value gap. Okay, so once the price tap into the daily fair value gap, and we shall look for long orders to continue higher off, at least take out the first draw on liquidity high that I have marked out, and then eventually to the next TP will be the monthly draw on liquidity. So these are the breakdowns and the weekly outlook. I will be, if there is any question, just feel free to reach out to the admin at the Telegram link below, and we shall look for the daily updates. And if you guys is not in our free channel and the premium group, don't worry, even the premium group is also absolutely for free. We're just sharing our idea, we're just sharing our content. We love trading so much, and we just want to share it with you guys. How to grow small and handle the big accounts like the prop firms accounts, how to handle small accounts, how to grow together. If you are interested in that, I wish to help you all, and I wish to lead you all as well. And we just share what we do. And we'll see you on the coming streams. Either we haven't set, but the stream will be either on a Tuesday and Wednesday, or a Wednesday with Thursday. There will be a live trade session with you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe us, and just feel free to join our free group for more announcement. We will share more information with you guys. And if you guys want to trade with us, join in our premium members with zero cost, absolute zero cost. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the coming weeks. Hope everyone trade safe. Tomorrow is a US bank holiday. Just trade safe, guys. I'll see you guys. Have a good night.